Okay, we're on air.
This is a bike called Smooth Fitness. If you want to get muscles like these, you can either go to a gym and pay a gym membership of $75 or more, or you can purchase one of these bikes at your local eBay, Amazon, or just pick it up on the side of the road like we did. Either way, they're great for building muscle, they're great for abs, which I mostly got from flipping tires, but this helps too. And I don't know how much these cost, but they're cheap and they're convenient and they're easy.
Great.
There's the sit-in cycle. Okay, turn up the resistance.
Okay.
Fuck me.
Oh, great. Guys,
Okay, it's all the way up.
guys, it's all gone, kid.
Heard that song, I like this. And cut.